It sounds strange, but solar panels will actually reduce performance and reduce output with higher temperature. All panels are only tested at 25 degrees, and that's because there has to be a bar set for the entire world, and 25 degrees is the cell temperature that solar panels are tested at. Queensland's obviously an awful lot hotter than that. Our cell temperatures can get well into the 50s and 60 degrees. The hotter it gets, the worse the panel can perform. So it's really important to get a good quality solar panel that will handle that heat well, to ensure that on those days where it's a hot day, you've got your aircon cranking, the solar's performing at its max, not at its lowest. So our everyday business, day to day, is your mums and dads looking for solar power, trying to cut their power bills down, make their cost of living a lot easier. You know, you look over the last 5 years, power bills just do not stop going up, and we're here to make that easier. So when you're selecting a solar provider, it's really important to get someone that's going to be there for the long term, provide any backup if it's needed. You want something that's going to last. It's in a very, very harsh environment up on the roof there. It's very, very hot. So high quality solar power is really important. The cheapest systems will work for a short period, but they will degrade a lot quicker than a high quality solar power system.